I hate this shower. Okay, so first of all, I would like to apologize for the vlog yesterday. It wasn't as long as I wanted to. I fell asleep for half the day, and I really didn't mean to, but I couldn't get as much footage as I wanted to. So I'm gonna make up for that today. I'm gonna hang out with some friends. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can to make a good vlog. And I'm gonna apply for some jobs and maybe just go explore the city. I don't know. So I will see you guys soon. I'm gonna brush my teeth and then I'm gonna head out of here. So I'll see you then. I don't fold my clothes very nice because I really don't care. So, if you're gonna make fun of me for the way I fold my clothes, go ahead and do it. I don't mind. All I need is them folded good enough to where I can grab them out of the basket. Lift off Des Moines. That was a year ago. Crazy. I made this shirt, by the way. On a press. What do you mean yes and no?
I gotta go get some parts first.
Where?
Junkyard?
When?
While we're running. You're gonna be with me for a while, bud.
I am currently about to leave my house. I am going to JCPenney. Then we're going disc golfing. Maybe. I might not go. I'm not sure yet. Anyways, I will see you guys on the adventure. To the store. To everywhere I'm going. See ya. Currently at the mall. About to go into JCD and Hobby. I don't know what for.
Obviously, look at this.
What are you looking for?
Just this. See what they got. All these, I can't throw these. No.
They look the same.
Pretty much. Pretty much. But you got,
You get these collectors.
you got shit like this though, You know?
What's the difference?
Different plastics, different inks, and different colors. It's ways different. Makes them way different.
See this face. Hello.
Yeah, tell her.
This weird dude just called me.
Yeah.
That's weird, because he texted me when I first got this phone and was like, this is old school Sam, you know? And he's on the phone with me just now, and he's like, when you see me, you'll know me. So we just gotta hook up and meet up. And I'm like, nah, bro, I don't even know who the fuck you are.
I'll go and fuck it. I beat my penis.
Did a long time ago on film, I jumped off this. I'm gonna insert the clip. Why does it got a Walgreens sign? Doesn't it look like the Walgreens sign? It does.
Whoa, man, she just called me a turd.
Anything specific?
Yeah, I hardly ever come to malls, so I just want to see what's up.
Favorite part of the store? True. 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 Not true. Not true, maybe true.
you? Alright,
100 miles
so,
an hour,
man,
24/7.
I've been walking like this since I was a little kid. I don't drive. I walk pretty fast. He's all crying. And I'm 30. Brian, I'm 34 and he's 19. Come on, man.
Just floss and take a chill pill. You need some Xanax. I'm done at the mall. Not sure really where I'm going. I have to go find this car. I'm currently about to go back home. Maybe disc golf. Not sure yet. I'm finished with the mall adventures. Looking for the car. No clue where it's at. What the fuck? I swear to God if this idiot left me. Oh, found him. Found him! Over here. Objects in a mirror are closer than they appear. True story.
Actually, we're going to Hy-Vee right now.
Got a 3-car pile up over yonder. On our way to Hy-Vee. Don't know why. And then
To cash in cans.
To cash in cans. And then on our way to what? Southwoods?
I think that's what it's called.
Southwoods?
Yeah, Southwoods.
To
Like,
throw.
It's like
You guys don't know what that is? It's disc golfing.
It's like 13 holes or some shit.
13 holes. You guys don't know until you're turning in cans. Extra money for gas to make it home. That is the struggle. The struggle is real. $35 later.
It really is. It's pretty challenging too.
Fucking porno back here or what? Ba-da-ba-ba. Is that a fucking gravestone? Rothschild Nature Trail. Lit. I'm currently at Southwoods Park in West Des Moines, Valley Junction area, about to play disc golf. If you guys don't know what disc golf is, look it up, find out. And after this, I'm headed back to the crib, so yeah, check it out. We're gonna be playing some disc golf today. Find one? I had to pee. Fuck. Yeah, go back, go back. That was lucky. My disc almost went to the woods. But to throw the disc, I'm watching for him so he knows where to go. Right down there. There's a lot of woods. There's a lot of woods nearby. It sucks because losing discs is like the worst thing. I don't even know where the fucking hole's at, to be honest. Oh, I see it down there. Lit. Find it? Oh, I see it down in there. Little fucking sneaky motherfucker. Take him out. Take out them bushes. God damn it. It's right over the fucking wood. Not too bad. I suck at this. There we are. Right here. So we make this one. I suck at this game. This whole one hole took me like 12 tries. Woo! One shitty thing about this sport is losing discs. Especially when you literally just bought it. It's gone. Gone forever. Nice little creek area down here. You're gonna try to make it to the car this way.
I'll lead the way.
You understand there's a big creek right there.
But you realize how many people use this back here?
Huh?
It's leaves, some bright red leaves.
We are currently crawling through the woods looking for a disc and about to leave. We're making it back to the car because we already lost one. So, enjoy enjoy the walk through the woods. Oh, that's a fucking thorn bush. That's why you were ducking and dodging it. Hey, I found your disc.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, I did. How the fuck? We were wood crawling and I found it. I don't know how the fuck it got way over here.
I do.
A star ape?
Yes.
Hey, found it.
We're excited. Okay.
Took about 30 minutes. Maybe 40. You hear that?
Yeah, I hear it.
It's a fucking clown, dude, I'm telling you. We're in the woods right now and there's like some weird sound. It's like boom, boom. Not positive what it is.
I'm just willing to find out.
We're about to find out though. It's deer?
Here,
Where?
right across the stream.
I don't see him.
Don't see him right
Oh. What's he doing?
Sneezing, it seems like.
It's a deer over there. Fell down in the woods. He's dying, dude. There's a deer back here like coughing, dying.
Where'd it go?
Right there.
It's still there?
There's a couple of them.
Oh, it ran off now. You said it was stuck. I was like, checking.
We're sneezing. You allergic to us, bro?
Okay, I've never been through here before, so
Yeah, we're about to get lost.
I've never lost.
Close. Hi, little puppy. Hey. Nope. Hi. Hi, how are you? Can I throw it once?
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Drop it. She don't want to drop it no more. It's alright. Fuck 12. That was probably the greatest shot I got today. I'm getting better at this vlog thing. I'm starting to like it a lot more. I'm actually getting better at talking in public when people see me, and I like that. I don't like it. It's weird because people look at me like I'm the weirdest person ever, like I'm carrying around the camera talking to them, but I don't care. So whatever. I'm just gonna put my shit in the back. No, I'm gonna take it up front. Close it. We are
What's got me itching?
about to be back on the road. I'm trying to see if I can see. Heading back home. Done disc golfing. Lost one disc. Found it like 45 minutes later. Seen a cute dog. So yeah, on our way home. I just figured I would show you guys this. These are similarities in between Lincoln and JFK. I'm gonna read off a couple of them. Lincoln was selected to Congress in 1846. JFK was selected in 1946. Lincoln failed to win the vice president nomination in 1856. JFK failed to win the vice president nomination in 1956. Lincoln was selected president in 1860. JFK was selected in president in 1960. Both were particularly concerned with civil rights. Both had wives lost children while in the White House. Both were shot on a Friday. Both were shot in the head. Lincoln's secretary was named Kennedy. Kennedy's secretary was named Lincoln. And people who killed them, Booth ran from the theater and was caught in a warehouse. Oswald ran from the theater and was caught ran from a warehouse and was caught in the theater. Both Booth and Oswald was assassinated before their trials. President Lincoln was born on February 12, 1809 and died on April 15, 1865 at age 56. President Kennedy was born on May 29, 1917 and died on November 22, 1963, age 46. So many. There's so many things that are the same about those two presidents. That shit's crazy. I just thought I would share that with you guys. Okay, so I've been home for a while now. I am not sure what I'm going to do tonight. I've been editing for a while, like a couple hours. Not a couple hours, maybe an hour and a half. It's almost a couple hours. I've been editing, so I don't have to do it first thing in the morning. I'm going to probably hang out with friends tonight. If anything exciting happens, I'll be sure to fill you guys in. But I will see you guys later. I'll see you guys soon. It's a fucking clown, dude, I'm telling you.